SpaceX is ready with yet another exciting update. News has just emerged that Deluge parts are being installed on the upgraded orbital launch mount at Starbase. This critical installation signifies a major step forward in enhancing the safety and efficiency of launch operations. Across the globe, China has shattered its own rideshare record with an astonishing launch of 26 satellites, showcasing their growing progress in space exploration. But that's not all. As NASA astronauts undertook a thrilling spacewalk outside the International Space Station, deploying the fifth rollout solar array. What groundbreaking developments is taking place at Starbase, and what thrilling activities are currently unfolding at the launch site? Dive into this video to find out. At the launch site, LR-11000 crane gracefully detaches from Ship 25, marking the completion of essential work on this orbital starship. This significant event hints at a close static fire test, a crucial step in the spacecraft's journey. The SpaceX team's efforts shine through as they diligently prepare for the next phase of testing and advancement. Moving forward, we find ourselves among a flurry of construction activity near the orbital launch mount workers, working diligently, assembling various components that will enhance the infrastructure and capabilities of this critical site. These construction activities symbolize the company's unwavering dedication to pushing boundaries and achieving new heights. Our attention is shifted by the ship Quick Disconnect Arm, a remarkable feature that marks exploration. However, a closer look reveals that the QD plate of this arm has been dismantled for repairs and awaits reinstallation. The Quick Disconnect Arm plays a vital role in the launch process, and its repair and reinstallation will undoubtedly contribute to the seamless operations at Starbase. At the orbital tank farm, a fascinating activity catches our eye. At this moment, workers are seen diligently installing pipes, their purpose stirring speculation among onlookers. The exact function of these pipes remains unrevealed, sparking anticipation and excitement. Some speculate that they may facilitate fuel offloading from tankers, while others believe they hold a significant role in the orbital launch mounts. What's your take? Comment down below. There's next update on the South Texas Tracking Station. This vital facility, positioned near the heart of Starbase, boasts advanced tracking capabilities essential for smooth and precise communication during launches and space missions. Its strategic location reflects SpaceX's commitment to maintaining effective control and communication systems, ensuring the success and safety of their ambitious endeavors. Then we get towards the updates at Raptor Stand, where an intriguing sight awaits. We get to witness the installation of the Booster Quick Disconnect plumbing. This intricate network of pipes and connectors serves a crucial role in the launch process, facilitating the efficient transfer of propellants to the Raptor engines. Every component is designed with utmost care and seamlessly integrated into the overall infrastructure. Then, on the bustling production site, we witness the remarkable magic of innovation unfolding before our eyes. Each corner of this dynamic site reveals glimpses of groundbreaking developments and cutting-edge technology. There's an update about Raptor Install Stand as we witness a dedicated team of workers engaged in a careful cleaning process. Every inch of the surroundings is thoroughly attended to, ensuring a pure and organized work environment free from potential contaminants. SpaceX's commitment to cleanliness and precision is evident in every aspect of their operations. We now shift towards Ship 26, a true marvel of engineering. In its final stages of preparation, Ship 26 is being readied for a series of cryogenic pressure tests. The engines of this remarkable starship stand as a testimony to the cutting-edge technology and innovation employed by SpaceX. There's an update as newly constructed structure named the New High Bay emerges, symbolizing the continuous expansion and growth of SpaceX's facilities at Starbase. Standing tall and impressive, the New High Bay represents the company's commitment to increasing production capacity and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aerospace manufacturing. Then we observe the presence of strategically placed scaffolding and stairs. These temporary structures not only provide access to different levels, but also ensure the safety and efficiency of workers as they navigate complex tasks and work at heights. Significant development catches our attention as the crane is relocated to the New High Bay. This dynamic shift signifies SpaceX's ability to efficiently manage resources and deploy equipment based on project requirements. The company's flexibility and adaptability are on display, emphasizing their commitment to streamlining processes and maximizing productivity. Returning to the bustling production site, we witness the ongoing manufacturing and assembly of various components vital to SpaceX's mission. Skilled technicians and engineers work with precision and attention to detail, maintain the company's pursuit of excellence and unwavering commitment to delivering state-of-the-art aerospace technologies. There are crafted nose cones lined up outside the production site, ranging from Ship 30 to Ship 37. Countless hours of design, engineering, and manufacturing have gone into each one, reflecting the company's rapid pace of progress and the promising future of Starship development. The prefabrication building becomes visible, serving as the epicenter of advanced manufacturing processes within the production site. Complex parts and components are fabricated in this facility. The welding process of Ship 29 unfolds before our eyes. Skilled welders bring together the various sections of the spacecraft, creating a robust and seamless structure. This critical milestone signifies another step forward in SpaceX's journey towards achieving their ambitious goals in space exploration. Our attention is then directed to the transportation of deluge equipment to the launch site. These systems play a crucial role in reducing and controlling fire hazards during launch operations. SpaceX's careful and strategic placement of this equipment is unwavering commitment to safety and proactive approach to addressing potential risks. The presence of these systems ensures that every launch is conducted with the utmost precaution and security. Throughout this journey of updates, it becomes clear that SpaceX's progress and development at Starbase are driven by their unwavering commitment to excellence, innovation, and pushing the boundaries of aerospace technology. Witnessing the installation of piping on the water tanks at Starbase, we delve into the essential infrastructure supporting launch operations. The pipes here play a crucial role in facilitating the efficient and controlled flow of water, serving various processes such as cooling and fire suppression. SpaceX's installation of piping is done for creating a robust and reliable launch site infrastructure, moving towards the construction site of the Star Factory extension, a project signaling SpaceX's continuous growth and the increasing demand for their innovative spacecraft. The ongoing expansion is done for scaling up production capabilities, propelling humanity towards a more accessible and sustainable space future. The skeletal framework of this new facility begins to take shape, reflecting the planning and execution of SpaceX's expansion initiatives. Curiosity leads us to sneak a peek inside Tent 3, a hub for research, development, and experimentation. Behind closed doors, SpaceX's talented engineers and scientists tirelessly refine existing technologies and explore new frontiers. The bustling activity within Tent 3 hints at the ongoing innovation and development taking place, as SpaceX aims to push the boundaries of space exploration further. A mesmerizing sight unfolds as a shuffle of nose cones takes place. This intricate move and repositioning of vital spacecraft components illustrate the careful balance involved in the assembly process. SpaceX's ability to handle these delicate structures with precision further underscores their commitment to achieving excellence in spacecraft manufacturing. Every step is taken to ensure that each nose cone is positioned, leading to a robust and reliable spacecraft. Returning to the Star Factory expansion construction, we witness its progress as the skeletal framework takes shape. This expansion is a testimony to SpaceX's dedication to meeting the growing demands of space exploration, enabling the production of more advanced and sophisticated spacecraft. Our attention then turns to the construction of the new high bay, a monumental structure poised to become a central hub for the integration and testing of starships. The new high bay further solidifies Starbase's position as a pioneering center for space technology. Moving towards the Rocket Garden, a collection of various Starship prototypes and test articles. A close-up view of Ship 20 reveals the intricate tiling process being carried out. These heat-resistant tiles play a vital role in providing thermal protection during re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. SpaceX's commitment to engineering excellence and safety is evident as each tile is positioned and sticked, ensuring optimal performance and durability. The tiling process reflects craftsmanship and their drive to create spacecraft of the highest quality. Storm passes through nature, briefly makes it through the Starbase. While fleeting, this weather event serves as a reminder of the dynamic environment in which SpaceX operates. The ability to adapt and respond to changing weather conditions is crucial in ensuring the safety and success of launch operations. Returning to Ship 29, we observe the welding process continuing steadily. Skilled welders join the various components of the Starship, ensuring structural integrity and airtight seals. Each weld brings SpaceX one step closer to realizing their vision of interplanetary travel. A significant installation takes place as a deluge pipe is lifted into position. This critical component of the fire suppression system is carefully integrated into the launch site infrastructure. further enhancing the safety measures in place. Our updates concludes with the arrival of two mysterious tanks at Starbase, sparking intrigue and speculation about their role in future operations. As spectators consider the purpose and contents of these tanks, SpaceX's constant stream of equipment and resources is a pursuit of innovation and progress. SpaceX's Star Factory in Starbase is set to undergo a massive expansion, with plans to build a factory that could reach an impressive size of approximately 100,000 square feet. This expansion is estimated to cost around $32.5 million to the company. The second layer of the structure at New Mega Bay now boasts all 4 sections fully assembled, with some sections already equipped with cladding. Additionally, assembly work has commenced on one of the sections of the third layer. The first layer of the Mega Bay is nearly complete, pending the addition of cladding. This expansive Mega Bay will have the capacity to accommodate the simultaneous construction of a booster and a ship, with ample space to spare. Surpassing the dimensions of the high bay, it is twice as wide. Exciting changes are also in store for the layout of the Starbase production site. Future plans involve demolishing the long production tents, making way for an expanded footprint for the Star Factory. In close proximity to the Mega Bay, a new bay is being assembled, aided by the LR-11000 crane that recently arrived from Roberts Road. Notably, the Starbase is expected to feature a large pit, similar to Tesla's Gigafactory's Gigapress, potentially used for pressing operations. The Star Factory's construction and layout enhancements are aimed at achieving a remarkable milestone that is manufacturing one Starship every week. This objective surpasses NASA's Space Launch System production goals, reflecting Elon Musk's ambition for SpaceX. The company even aims to produce 1 to 2 Starships per week, while reducing construction expenses to as little as $2 million each. Musk is daringly targeting a launch cost of $2 million, which challenges conventional norms of space exploration. The question arises, why does SpaceX intend to expand its already vast facility? The answer lies in Musk's grand vision for the company. He envisions SpaceX as a catalyst for transforming humanity into a multiplanetary species. This extension of the Star Factory serves as a crucial stepping stone toward realizing Musk's aspirations of establishing a self-sufficient community on Mars. To accomplish this, SpaceX requires robust infrastructure and a manufacturing center capable of rapidly constructing starships designed for human transportation to Mars. While SpaceX's plans have generated excitement, controversy looms over the expansion due to its proximity to the environmentally sensitive Boca Chica Beach on the Gulf Coast of Texas. Environmental groups express concern about potential negative impacts on local wildlife and ecosystems resulting from rocket launches and construction activities. In fact, some groups have filed a lawsuit against the FAA, accusing the agency of violating the National Environmental Policy Act by granting SpaceX permission to launch the largest rocket ever built from its Boca Chica facility without conducting a comprehensive environmental review. Despite these challenges, activities at Starbase and preparations for upcoming Starship flights continue unabated. SpaceX has selected the Ship 25 and Booster 9 pair for the next Starship flight. Both Ship 25 and Booster 9 have already completed 50% of the ground testing and are ready for ignition, marking an important milestone in the progress toward achieving SpaceX's ambitious goals. That was all the updates from the launch site. Up next, China breaks its rideshare record with 26 satellite launch. China has achieved a remarkable milestone in its space exploration ventures by breaking its rideshare record with the successful launch of 26 satellites into orbit. This achievement was made possible by the Chinese Lijian-1 solid-fuel rocket, marking its second flight since its inaugural mission in July 2022. The historic liftoff took place on Wednesday, June 7th, at the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in northwest China. At 12:10 a.m., the towering 98 feet tall Lijian-1 rocket launched the 26 satellites into low Earth orbit, setting a new record for the country. The launch event gathered significant attention from the Chinese state media. The Lijian-1 is an impressive 4-stage rocket known for its reliability and power, capable of producing a staggering 400,000 pounds of thrust at liftoff. It stands as China's largest operational solid propellant launch vehicle, developed by Guangzhou Zhongke Aerospace Exploration Technology, a commercial space company partially owned by the Chinese Academy of Sciences. The Lijian-1 represents the country's commitment to advancing its space exploration capabilities. This extraordinary mission showcased China's ability to accommodate multiple satellites in a single launch. Notably, the payload mass for this mission was nearly 3 times that of the Lijian 1's debut launch last year, which carried 6 satellites. The 26 satellites housed within the Lijian 1 fairing will primarily serve the purposes of technology verification and commercial remote sensing information services. China's continuous progress in space exploration is further symbolized by the recent return of its Shenzhou 15 astronaut crew. After spending 6 months aboard the Tiangong space station, the crew safely returned to Earth. Shortly before their departure, the Shenzhou 16 astronauts, including Jing Haipeng, Zhu Yangzhu, and Gui Haichao, were launched to the Tiangong space station to begin their own 6-month stay. By successfully deploying multiple satellites, China is paving the way for further advancements in technology verification and remote sensing services, while setting its position as a prominent player in the domain of space exploration. Up next, NASA astronauts deploy 5th rollout solar array on spacewalk outside space station. During the latest spacewalks aimed at upgrading the International Space Station's power supply, 2 NASA astronauts, Stephen Bowen and Warren Woody Hoburg, successfully installed and deployed a new solar array outside the orbiting laboratory. On Friday, June 9th, Bowen and Hoburg, crewmates on the current Expedition 69 mission, embarked on their extravehicular activity that lasted 6 hours and 3 minutes. The spacewalk began when they switched their spacesuits to battery power and exited the US Quest airlock at 9:25 a.m. Following the protocol of previous spacewalks, Bowen and Hoburg took different paths. Bowen headed towards the temporary location where the new International Space Station rollout solar array was mounted. Meanwhile, Hoburg recovered a portable foot restraint and installed it on the end of the Canadarm2 robotic arm. From inside the space station, Emirati astronaut Sultan Al-Nayadi controlled the arm. Bowen released the Arosa from its pallet, and Hoburg grabbed hold of the 750-pound solar array, carrying it to its installation mount on the starboard side of the station's backbone truss. As Al-Nayadi guided the arm, Hoburg remained secured to the rolled-up Arosa, ensuring its safe transport to the new location. In due time, Bowen joined Hoburg at the site to assist in making a soft dock, with the Arosa atop its mounting bracket, which had been installed during a previous spacewalk. The astronauts patiently waited for the space station to move into Earth's shadow as the attachment of cables connecting the new Arosa with the station's legacy 1A power channel solar array was scheduled to take place during a night pass when the solar arrays do not generate electricity in the dark. Following the completion of this task, Bowen and Hoburg released bolts to unfold the Arosa from its launch configuration. They secured the bolts to hold the Arosa in place before proceeding with the deployment of the new array. With the release of 2 additional bolts, the stored potential energy in the rolled-up carbon composite booms caused the Arosa to unroll on its own, stretching out to its full length without the need for a motor. Bowen described the new array as it unrolled, expressing satisfaction. "It looks good. It looks like it is stretching out nicely and everything seems to be lining up." The new array, like the previous 4 deployed ones, measures 60 feet long by 20 feet wide. When fully extended, it shades slightly more than half of the original 1A array. Each new Arosa produces over 20 kilowatts of electricity, and once all the arrays are installed, they're expected to enable a 30% increase in power production over the station's legacy panels, according to NASA officials. Hoburg completed the work on the 1A power channel by releasing 2 bolts to tension the new array, ensuring its stability and optimal functionality. Having completed their primary task ahead of schedule, Bowen and Hoburg were able to accomplish additional tasks, known as get-aheads, for their next EVA, scheduled for the following week. They released bolts to free beams holding the next array on its pallet and retrieved a piece of foreign object debris located on the rolled-up array. At 3:28 p.m., the 2 astronauts re-entered the Quest airlock and repressurization began, marking the end of the 87th spacewalk from the US airlock. This spacewalk was particularly significant for Hoburg as it marked his first venture outside the confines of the space station. In contrast, Bowen, with this spacewalk, has now accumulated a total of 60 hours and 22 minutes of extravehicular activity time, placing him 5th in the world for the most time spent working in the vacuum of space. Overall, this spacewalk was the 7th of the year, and the 264th dedicated to the assembly and maintenance of the International Space Station since its establishment in 1998. The deployment of the new solar array represents a crucial step in the continuous efforts to upgrade the ISS's power supply. The Arosa technology has proven to be instrumental in increasing the station's energy production. With each new Arosa array producing more than 20 kilowatts of electricity, the installation of these arrays will lead to a significant 30% increase in power generation compared to the station's legacy panels. NASA's astronauts showcased their expertise and adaptability during this spacewalk, successfully navigating the challenges of working in microgravity to ensure the smooth deployment and integration of the new solar array. That was all the space news for today. Don't forget to subscribe with all notifications enabled so you don't miss out on the latest news on space.